Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a webhook from GitHub to Discord. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is to create a webhook from Discord. So simply go to your Discord and then you will be needing to go to the server that you want to send or to create a webhook on. So simply let's just right click on the server and after that you will be needing to go to server settings and we can simply go to the server settings and click on it, and basically from here we will find the side menu and we can simply go to integrations. So in the apps section we go to integrations, and from here we will find channel followed, etc. And basically here we find the webhook. So we need just to click on create a webhook, and basically this is the webhook that we have created. Now you will be needing to copy the webhook URL. Make sure that uh, this link stay secret and don't show it to anyone, since because anyone that has this webhook URL will be able to start sending messages to your server or to any server without even being in the server. So we need just to copy the webhook URL, and after that we need just to go to our GitHub and then we go to settings. So basically in the settings of your repository you will be needing to go to webhooks. So now we will be needing to create a webhook. So I'm just going to click on add, and from here we will find or we will add the payload. Basically the payload is the uh, the URL that you have copied. So simply we will need just to click on Control V, and at the end you will be needing to add a slash GitHub, and basically it's just the repo or this. Now you will be needing just to enable SSL verification, etc. And here you will be needing just the push event or send whatever you like into the GitHub uh, server and then click on add webhook. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.